Okay, so when it comes to independent versus interdependent self-control emphasizes the relatedness to self to a collective and the identification of self in terms of those social roles and relationships that you're cultivating. Independent self-control emphasizes individual autonomy and defines the self as a bounded and distinctive locus of awareness and action, separate from the collective. So, several studies found a positive association between interdependent self-control and TKS, and a negative association between an independent self-control and TKS. Variations in self-control are found across and within cultures, and even within individuals. Moreover, people can access multiple cultural scripts primed by different contextual cues. Therefore, the interpersonal fear to embarrass others one's own behavior, TKS, associated with an interdependent self-control, might occur in all individuals around the world, construing themselves as, also, interdependent in certain contexts or domains, which is why it's not always cultural specific to simply a Japanese or Korean culture, because an interdependent self-control can happen outside of those cultures. Apart from the description of several cases with TKS in cultures other than Japan, little is actually known about TKS in other countries. Even in so-called collectivist countries in which TKS symptoms might be expected based on the correlation between the interdependent self-control, relatedness to collectivist cultures, and TKS is simply understudied. And one of the reasons may be is because it is put into that category of being a cultural-based syndrome, so there's little research outside of those cultural constraints.